What's up guys, today's video's on the top 5 best vinyl cutters 2022, that are available on the market. I made this list based on my personal research. If you would like to see more details on these products and the updated prices, please check out the description below and be sure to subscribe to get more reviews. Okay, let's get started with the video. Number 5. Latest edition in the Cameo line from Silhouette. This model offers pretty much everything you'd wish for in a die cutter. Some of the most interesting upgrades over the previous version are the improved wireless connectivity, auto blade, and an improved user interface. For its cost, the Cameo 4 seems like a very reliable investment if you're searching for a vinyl cutting machine. If you're a beginner in this craft, it's strongly recommended to get a starter bundle to be able to get creative right away. You don't just get access to many designs, but you can also learn how to use the machine thanks to the helpful guides and accessories. The question of extra performance and usability remains: would this die cutter be worth the expense over the older versions? The Cameo 4 by Silhouette is definitely our top pick on this list, considering its versatile capabilities and overall user-friendliness. It may lack powerful cutting power suitable for commercial-grade projects, but beginners will definitely have a blast with it. It's a very solid die-cutting machine for a hobbyist who primarily works with light items such as vinyl and paper. Number 4. Cricut is one of the biggest names in the world of craft cutting, and perhaps their most appreciated model is the Explorer 3, which boasts a lot of capable features for a desktop cutting machine. This one is another beginner-friendly unit, which simplifies your workflow with the help of wireless connectivity and an intuitive software. In terms of performance, the machine stands out due to its impressive speed. You'll definitely like the fast mode setting, which enables users in a hurry to finish their projects in a more timely manner. There are also hardly any sacrifices when it comes to precision, even when you're dealing with more complicated designs. Vinyl cutting seems to be one of this machine's specializations, but it can easily handle more than 100 material types. One thing some people who are familiar with the older Explorer Air 2 will notice is the increased noise of this machine. That extra speed plays a role in this. All in all, this machine seems to retain all the great features of its predecessor while improving the performance and adding a more modern look in multiple colors. Number 3. The Cutter vinyl cutter is one of the best entry-level vinyl cutters out there. It is a reasonably priced vinyl cutter, yet able to compete with some high-end models and semi-commercial brands in terms of features, overall functionality, and performance. It is equipped with a 34-inch blade that can cut a variety of materials including paper, craft paper, paint mask, cardstock, standard vinyl, and heat transfer vinyl. This starter vinyl cutting machine has a max cutting size of 8 feet long and 30.63 inches wide with a cutting speed of 39 inches per second at a downforce of 350 grams. This bigger unit and speed means that it can handle bigger cutting tasks and deliver a lot of craft cutting without wasting your time. The machine is easy to use. It comes with the basic edition of Vinyl Master Cut software, which has a user-friendly interface that allows even a beginner to design and print logos, lettering, pinstriping and handle other related craft cutting tasks like a pro. Aside from that, its software has all the essential features expected of a vinyl cutting software, and it is licensed for an unlimited number of users, which makes this machine great for remote team working and collaboration on a single craft cutting project. Moreover, you can use this machine with a host of other software like SignBlazer, SureCut-A-Lot, and Scale. You can also use its inbuilt vectorization tools on all major file formats, while image files are converted into a ready-to-cut format by its image trace feature. Its blade holder is compatible with most economical vinyl cutter blades available and includes the spool function, which saves time for complex jobs by allowing you to send multiple cutting tasks to the queue so that the cutter can sort it out by color. However, it is suitable for simple projects and smaller runs and cannot contour cut or sustain its excellent cutting performance on longer, larger, or more complex jobs. Also, it has material limitations and cannot handle materials like reflective, tints, laminate, and leather. Number 2. This vinyl cutting machine from Cricut is the smartest, Fastest and most powerful Cricut vinyl cutter I've been able to review, as it boasts a lot of improvements over its predecessors. This Cricut vinyl cutter can cut 300 and more materials, including balsa, paper, vinyl, etc., with astounding precision and agility. It can even cut delicate materials like fabrics and sewing patterns, as well as tough materials, up to 2.4 millimeters thick, like basswood, leather, matte board, while placing more creative possibilities than you can imagine at your fingertips, thanks to its max blade pressure of 350 grams. The machine features a beautiful and portable desktop design with a storage cup for your blades and docking spot for your tablet or smartphone. That means it'll help you save space and allow you to work in a small workspace. It also features a wide and expandable range of tools that allow you to handle virtually any cutting, writing, scoring and decorative task you can imagine. Little wonder why it is one of the best vinyl cutters for crafts on the market today. Another great feature is its wireless Bluetooth technology and the Cricut Design Space software, a simple design that allows you to create and upload your designs. The good thing about the app is that it supports different platforms such as Windows, Mac, Android, and iOS, and allows you to upload any design file format, including SVGs and cut files, so you can achieve what you want without restrictions. However, the software runs through the cloud site, which means you'll need a good internet connection to operate and cut your designs. Also, the machine has a max cutting size of about 11.5 inches wide and 23.5 inches long, which is small and can make wider and longer designs difficult to achieve. But you won't have to worry if most of your jobs or creations are compact designs. Number 1. The Explorer Air 2 graced the markets in 2015, and since its grand entry, has witnessed remarkable success. For starters, it is available in peach pink, mint green, and baby blue variants. One of the notable things about this unit is that it works quite fast, thanks to its fast mode ability. Besides speed, the Explorer Air 2 presents you with the ability to cut pretty much anything, ranging from iron, cardstock, leather to vinyl. If you are the kind of person who pays close attention to detail, the Air 2 has just the flexibility you need to craft finer details. Talking about flawless precision, this machine boasts the capability to use Cricut pens, which you can use to create handwritten projects. You will get the freedom to explore over 370 fonts, and that means you can create customized designs in a matter of minutes. What's more, you can even go ahead and create your own custom font and store it for free. Isn't that so cool? Another awesome addition to this vinyl cutter is the Smart Set dial. What's that? Well, this is a simple addition that's meant to help you find the best settings for your upcoming project. So, in case you love designing award-winning artwork, this cutter is certainly up to the mark. And that's not all. You enjoy the freedom to design using a computer, iPhone or even iPad. Keeping up with the other vinyl cutters from Cricut, this one also comes with Design Space software. The software is amazingly easy to use, plus it also comes with cloud-based storage. In case you're too busy to design your own stuff, you'll be happy to learn that there are dozens of pre-made choices that you can find for free within the Design Space repository. The only challenge with Design Space software is that it is a web-based software, and you will, therefore, need to have a fast internet connection to use it. This can slow you down, especially if working in an area with poor internet connectivity. Fortunately, for iPhone users that is, there's the possibility of offline access through the software's mobile app. Thanks for watching, guys. That's all for now. I hope you guys liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Hope to see you guys in the next video.